A very good morning to all my sunshines. Wishing you all a lovely morning and a wonderful day. I am your Reena ma'am. Yesterday we learned a new concept of a and an. So let's start our session with a quick revision of a and an. Use of a or an. First of all, we will learn about use of a. If the name of the object begins with a consonant, we use a. That means किसी भी object का first letter अगर किसी consonant से शुरू होता है, then we use a. And why do we use a? Because a is a very good friend of consonant. These all are consonant. Now, let's see some examples. A kite, a monkey, a hat, a pig, a car, a lamp. Now we will revise use of a and an. If the name of the object begins with a vowel, we use an. That means अगर किसी भी object का first letter vowel से शुरू होता है, then we use an. And why do we use an? Because a and an is a very good friend of vowels. So we will use a and an. An alphabet A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Now let's see some examples. An apple, an aeroplane, an iron, an orange, an elephant, an ink pot, an umbrella, an eye, an onion. Now kids, let's see an activity of a and an. Kids, here in this activity I have kept some pictures and on this plate I have kept some flashcards of a and an. In this activity we have to identify first letter of these pictures and then we have to keep these flashcards in their correct places. So let's start this activity. First of all, this is a picture of umbrella and the first alphabet of umbrella is U. U is a vowel. So tell me kids, who's the friend of vowels? Yes, a and an. So we will keep flashcard of a and an here. Next picture is of a rat and the first alphabet of rat is R. R is a consonant. And tell me who's the friend of consonants? Yes, A. So we will keep flashcard of A here. Next picture is of an ant. And the first alphabet of ant is A. A is a vowel. So tell me kids, who is the friend of vowels? Yes, very good bachas. A and an. So we will keep flashcard of A and an here. Next picture is of a hat. And the first alphabet of hat is H. So tell H is a consonant. So tell me kids, who's the friend of consonant? Yes, A. So we will keep flashcard of A here. Next picture is of an eagle and the first alphabet of eagle is E. E is a vowel. And who's the friend of vowels? Yes, A and an. So we will keep flashcard of A and an here. Next picture is of a cow and the first alphabet of cow is C. C is a consonant. And who's the friend of consonants? Yes, A. So we will keep flashcard of A here. Next picture is of an ink pot and the first alphabet of ink pot is I. I is a vowel. And who's the friend of vowels? Yes, A and An. So we will give flashcard of A and An here. Next picture is of a drum, and the first alphabet of drum is D. D is a consonant. So tell me kids, who is a friend of consonants? Yes, A. So we will give flashcard of A here. Next picture is of an orange, and the first alphabet of orange is O. O is a vowel, and who is the friend of vowels? Yes, A and An. So we will give flashcard of A and An here. Now kids, let's revise all these pictures. An umbrella, a rat, an ant, a hat, an eagle, a cow, an ink pot, a drum, an orange. Now kids, let's do an exercise of A and An in our workbook. Kids, you have to open page number 124 of your English workbook. Kids, first of all, we will write here today's date, that is 4.2.2121. Write A or An. Let's start this exercise. First of all, this is a picture of an apple. Apple starts with alphabet A. Let's find where is alphabet A. Yes, A is a vowel, and who's a good friend of vowel? A and An. So we will write here A and An apple. Next picture is of a jug. Jug starts with alphabet J. Let's find where is alphabet J. Yes, J is a consonant, and who's a good friend of consonant? Yes, A. So we will write here A jug. Next picture is of an igloo. The first letter of igloo is I. Let's find where is alphabet I. Yes, I is a vowel, and who's the good friend of vowel? A and An. So we will write here A and an igloo. Next picture is of a fan, and the first letter of fan is F. F, yes, F is a consonant, and who's the good friend of consonant? A. So we will write here A fan. Next picture is of an urn, and the first letter of urn is U. Let's find where is U. Yes, U is a vowel, and an is a very good friend of vowels. So we will write here A and on. Next picture is of an envelope, and the first letter of envelope is E. Let's find where is E. Yes, E is a vowel, and A and An is a very good friend of vowel. So we will write here A and An. Next picture is of a rat. Rat starts with alphabet R. So let's find where is R. Yes, R is a consonant, and A is a very good friend of consonants. So we will write here a rat. Next picture is of a bat. Bat starts with alphabet B. Let's find where is B. Yes, B is a consonant, and who's a good friend of consonants? Yes, A. So we will write here A bat. Next picture is of an onion. Onion starts with alphabet O. Let's find where is O. Yes, O is a vowel, and an is a very good friend of vowels. So we will write here A and onion. Kids, I hope with the help of this session, you have learned the concept of A and N. Take care kids, keep smiling. Bye bye.